As a part of the 76th Republic Day celebrations, the Indian Army in Baramulla is displaying its cutting-edge weapons and state-of-the-art equipment. From advanced rifles to sophisticated drones, the Indian Army's exhibition is a testament to the nation's military might and technological process. This event, held at Baramulla, has drawn a significant attention from civilians, students and experts alike. Among the highlights are unmanned aerial vehicles equipped with precision targeting, cutting-edge surveillance systems and the latest models of battle tanks that represent a leap in armored warfare. These systems underscore India's commitment to self-reliance in defense production under the Make in India initiative as well. So this is a Sweden-made Bofors gun which was quite instrumental in the 1999 Kargil war. I am told that this Bofors gun was instrumental in recapturing the territory which was occupied by Pakistan. So this is another weapon here, which is 9mm. I'm told that it can fire at least 800 rounds in one go. So there is this another Finland-made sniper. It's known as a Sako sniper, and it can sight enemy at a distance of 1500 meters and shoot the enemy. So there is this weapon which is known as 5.56 mm Tavor rifle. It's an Israeli made weapon, and this weapon is specifically used by the special forces wing of the Indian Army, and I am told that this weapon can fire at least 700 to 1000 rounds at a particular time. It also has a laser technology, and this weapon can be used both during the day and night as well. Such events do not just highlight our defense preparedness, but also bring our citizens closer to the security forces. This event is just more than a display of weapons. It is the celebration of India's defense capabilities and the spirit of its armed forces.